guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I want to talk about rotoscope filter and if it is possible to remove the rotoscope filter from a TikTok video. So if you go to your TikTok and search for rotoscope just like this, you will find so many videos. If I click on one, it is just like this. So yeah, this is basically a filter. So you are doing your video normally and then it's added this filter in just colors. So the girl here removes her shirt and then the filter is on. I've seen many videos where people are showing you that you can try to download a video editing app and then change the brightness or shadowness. And this way they say that you can remove the rotoscope filter. So guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but it's not possible to remove the rotoscope filter. All the videos that you are seeing are just scam and cap. And I just wanted to say to you the truth and search no more because it's pointless and it is not possible to remove the rotoscope filter. So yeah guys, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.